Dear friends, we have arrived in the vibrant city of Marseille, France. In this journey, we first decided to go to the island of Château d'If. The island became internationally famous in the 19th century, when Alexandre Dumas used it as a setting for his novel The Count of Monte Cristo, published to widespread acclaim in 1844. In the novel, the main character Edmond Dantes and his mentor, Abbé Faria, were both imprisoned in it. So the backdrop for our adventure to Château d'If begins in the old port of Marseille. The bustling harbor serves as the launching point for countless maritime journeys, with boats of all sizes bobbing in the sparkling blue waters. Against the backdrop of historic buildings and bustling activity, tourists and locals alike gather to embark on their own explorations. As we approach the ticket booth, the air is filled with the mingling scents of sea salt and freshly baked pastries from nearby cafes. The sound of seagulls overhead mingles with the chatter of excited travelers, creating a lively and dynamic atmosphere. Our attention is drawn to the sturdy boat awaiting us, its sleek lines and weathered exterior a testament to its years of service. As we step aboard, the gentle rocking of the vessel beneath our feet serves as a reminder of the adventure that lies ahead. Beyond the harbor, the azure expanse of the Mediterranean stretches out before us, its vastness hinting at the mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. With the silhouette of Château d'If looming in the distance, we can't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation for the journey ahead. As the boat sets sail, the cityscape of Marseille slowly recedes into the background, replaced by the tranquil beauty of the open sea. Against this stunning backdrop, our adventure to Château d'If begins, promising unforgettable experiences and memories to treasure for a lifetime. So, dear friends, please enjoy the journey to the island of Château d'If. I will see you next week with the second part of this video with more details of the island and the prison. If you are a new visitor, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.